Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty World at War with a controller. First, connect your favorite game controller to your computer using a USB cable or Bluetooth. Next, you will need to install a third-party controller mapping application. This software translates your controller inputs into keyboard and mouse commands, allowing seamless gameplay. Make sure the software is running before you launch the game. Now let's customize your controls. Within the mapping software, you will assign specific keyboard keys and mouse movements to your controller's buttons, triggers, and analog sticks. For instance, map the left stick to W, A, S, D for movement and the right stick for mouse look. Don't forget to map actions like firing, reloading, and switching weapons. Save your profile once you are satisfied with the layout. With your controller mapped, launch Call of Duty World at War. You might need to fine-tune the in-game mouse sensitivity to match your controller's right stick movement for precise aiming. Some games have built-in controller support that might conflict, so disable those if necessary. Jump into a private match or the campaign to test your new setup and make any final adjustments for optimal comfort and performance. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your controller drivers are current. Sometimes, running the mapping software as an administrator can resolve permission-related problems. Experiment with different sensitivity settings in both the mapping software and the game to find your perfect balance. Many online communities share their custom controller profiles, which can be a great starting point if you are unsure where to begin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.